In the PC gaming world, a bad cheap gaming mouse can sabotage your entire system. A worthy input device should deliver precision, customization, and comfort. While the allure of high-end gaming mice can be tempting for their various bells and whistles, they can get expensive. Fortunately, there are several excellent options for gamers on a budget. A great gaming mouse combines next-level sensitivity, responsiveness, and ergonomic design, providing you with an edge while playing fast-twitch titles like Call of Duty, Warzone. Most importantly, these models offer unwavering reliability and outperform productivity-oriented mice in gaming. Whether you're a casual gamer or boot up daily, the best cheap gaming mouse is your ticket to leveling up your gaming performance. Number 1. Razer Basilisk V3. We previously sang the praises of the Razer Basilisk V2, and we have nothing but good things to say about the Basilisk V3. The gaming mouse is teeming with features: 11 customizable buttons, a max DPI of 26,000, and a scroll wheel with a grippy texture. Every button on Razer's mouse has a satisfying click, with a lifetime rating of 70 million clicks. Meanwhile, Razer's Synapse software allows you to control everything from lighting to sensitivity and polling rate. Plus, it features a comfortable, ergonomic design with a thumb rest so you can game for hours without your hand fatiguing. The Basilisk V3 retails for $69.99 but is often on sale for as much as 29% off, bringing the price down to $49.99. Considering what you get, Razer's mouse is fantastic value for the money. Number 2. Logitech G305. Wireless gaming mice are generally more expensive, but the Logitech G305 is a welcome exception. It makes an immediate impression by offering an ambidextrous design that's comfortable for most hand sizes. 2 programmable side buttons add customizability, and the sensitivity settings reach a respectable 12,000 dpi. You also get built-in storage for the included USB wireless receiver, making it easy to take the gaming mouse on trips. The G305 uses a replaceable AA battery that promises up to 250 hours of continuous gameplay, according to Logitech. The mouse is also compatible with PC and Mac, making switching from one platform to another easy. Ultra-fast Lightspeed wireless technology gives you a lag-free gaming experience. The G305 wireless gaming mouse delivers incredible responsiveness and reliability with a super-fast 1 millisecond report rate for competition-level performance. Thanks to an efficient mechanical design, the G305 gaming mouse weighs in at only 99 grams for high maneuverability. Number 3. Razer DeathAdder V2 Mini. The Razer DeathAdder V2 Mini is, surprise, a smaller version of the excellent DeathAdder V2. The low-click latency and lightweight design make it an ideal option for first-person shooters. The optical sensor features a sensitivity of up to 8,500 dpi, which you can adjust on the fly thanks to customizable buttons. There are 6 programmable buttons and support for customizable RGB lighting, which you can sync with your gameplay. The DeathAdder V2 Mini also features textured left and right click buttons and a drag-free cord, giving you performance comparable to a wireless mouse. Allows for button remapping and assignment of complex macro functions through Razer Synapse 3. Razer Speed Flex cables eliminate the need for mouse bungees, drastically reducing weight and drag for absolute control. Number 4. Logitech G502 Hero. Featuring a sharp, angular design and tons of customization, Logitech's G502 Hero is the most versatile cheap gaming mouse available. The gaming mouse offers 5 programmable buttons, 11 total, around the thumb rest and left click button alone, allowing you to execute customizable settings quickly. You also get flawless performance with a DPI range from 100 to 16,000 and a 1 millisecond response time. These specs mean the mouse will more than keep up with fast-twitch titles like Fortnite. The mouse also allows you to add more weight to achieve the most comfortable balance that works for you. While the gaming mouse is on the higher end of the cheap scale, you can find it for under $40 with the right sale. Customize lighting from nearly 16.8 million colors to match your team's colors, sport your own or sync colors with other Logitech G gear. Number 5. Logitech G203. Basic doesn't mean bad. In this case, the Logitech G203 is quite good. The mouse offers a similar design and functionality to the Logitech G305. Still, this model is wired and offers RGB light sync support, allowing you to customize and sync the RGB lighting with your gameplay. You also get a classic 6-button layout, a spring button tensioning system, and a sensitivity of up to 8,000 dpi. The mouse has 4 color options to match your setup and is compatible with Windows and Mac. You get all this for a very affordable price, with regular sales that bring the price down even more. Play comfortably and with total control. The classic and simple 6-button layout and classic gaming shape is a comfortable time-tested and loved design. Each button can be customized using Logitech G Hub software to simplify tasks.